Oh, is it 7 o'clock already? My alarm is very loud this morning. Okay, I am awake now. I need to turn off this alarm. That is better. It is time to get out of bed. First, I should stretch my arms. The floor is a little cold today. Where are my slippers? Here they are. Now my feet are warm. I will go to the bathroom first. I need to wash my face. The water feels fresh and cool. Now I am really awake. Where is my toothbrush? I see it on the shelf. I must brush my teeth well. Clean teeth are very important. Now it is time for a shower. I will use my favorite shampoo. It smells like lemons. The hot water feels nice. Okay, the shower is finished. I need a towel to dry my hair. What should I wear today? Let me check the weather on my phone. It is sunny but a little windy. I should wear a jacket. I will wear my blue jeans too. This shirt looks good with my jeans. Now I am dressed. It is time for breakfast. I am very hungry this morning. I will go to the kitchen. I want to drink some coffee. I need to boil the water first. While the water boils, I will make toast. Where is the bread? Ah, it is in the cupboard. I will put 2 slices in the toaster. The coffee water is ready now. I will pour it into my mug. I like a little milk in my coffee. The toast is ready too. I will put some butter on it. This breakfast smells delicious. I will sit at the table and eat. The toast is crunchy and good. The coffee is hot and strong. Now I am full and ready for the day. I need to check my bag. Do I have my wallet? Yes, it is here. Do I have my keys? I cannot find my keys. Oh, they are on the table. Good. I have everything. I should brush my hair one more time. I look ready for work. It is time to leave the house. I will lock the door. The air outside is fresh. I need to walk to the bus stop. It is not far from my house. I see my neighbor. Hello, Mrs. Smith. She looks happy today. Here comes the bus. It is on time today. I have my bus pass ready. There is an empty seat near the window. I like to look outside. The city is very busy this morning. I see many cars and people. The bus ride takes 20 minutes. I will listen to some music. Where are my headphones? Here they are, in my pocket. This is a nice song. We are getting close to my office. I should press the button to stop. The bus is stopping now. I will get off here. My office is across the street. We have a lot of work today. I hope the elevator is working. Good morning to the security guard. I will go to the 3rd floor. Here is my desk. My computer is ready. I will check my emails first. I have 5 new emails. I need to reply to my boss. Okay, the email is sent. Now I will look at my schedule. I have a meeting at 10 o'clock. I need to prepare some papers. Where is my pen? I have many pens, but I cannot find one. Okay, I found a blue pen. I will write some notes. Work is busy but interesting. I like my job. Time goes very fast in the morning. Is it 10 o'clock already? It is time for the meeting. I will bring my notebook. I hope the meeting is short. I am ready to listen. Let's go to the conference room. The meeting is finally over. That was a long meeting. I am happy it is finished. What time is it now? It is 12:30. It is time for lunch. My stomach is making noise. I brought a sandwich from home. I will go to the break room. It is quiet in here today. My sandwich has cheese and tomato. It tastes very fresh. I also have an apple. Fruit is good for my health. I will drink some water too. I have 30 minutes left. I will check my phone again. My friend sent me a message. She wants to meet on Saturday. I will reply to her later. Lunchtime is over now. I must go back to my desk. I have a report to finish. I need to focus on my work. Typing this report takes time. I must be careful with spelling. Good. Page 1 is done. Now I will start page 2. The office is very loud now. People are talking on phones. I will put my headphones on again. This helps me concentrate. It is almost 5 o'clock. I am cleaning my desk. I will turn off my computer. Work is finished for today. I feel a little tired, but I feel good about my work. I will say goodbye to my colleagues. See you tomorrow, everyone. I am walking to the elevator. It is time to go home. Outside, the sun is going down. It is a little colder now. I should close my jacket. I need to go to the supermarket. It is on my way home. I need to buy milk and eggs. Here is the store. I will take a basket. Where is the milk? Ah, it is in the back. I will take 1 bottle. Now I need eggs. I will check the date on the box. These eggs are fresh. Do I need anything else? Maybe I will buy some chocolate. Yes, a small treat is nice. I will go to the cashier. The line is short today. I will pay with my card. Thank you very much. Now I can go home. My bag is a little heavy. I am happy to see my house. I will unlock the door. Home sweet home. I will take off my shoes. My feet are tired. I will put the groceries away. The milk goes in the fridge. Now I will change my clothes. I will wear my comfortable pajamas. This feels much better. What should I have for dinner? I am not very hungry. Maybe just some soup. I have tomato soup in the cupboard. I will heat it on the stove. I need a spoon. The soup is hot now. I will eat in the living room. I want to watch TV. Where is the remote control? It is always lost. Found it under the cushion. I will watch my favorite show. This show is very funny. It makes me laugh. The soup was good. Now I will have my chocolate. It is sweet and tasty. It is getting late. It is 9 o'clock. I usually read before bed. I am reading a good book. It is a mystery story. I will read for 1 hour. This chapter is exciting, but my eyes are getting heavy. I am feeling sleepy. I should go to sleep soon. I need to wake up early tomorrow. I will go to the bathroom. I need to brush my teeth again. I will wash my face too. Now I am ready for bed. I will turn off the lights. The house is very quiet. I will get under the blankets. My bed is soft and warm. I will set my alarm for 7. Alarm is set. I will close my eyes. I hope to have good dreams. Good night, everyone. Good night, world.